Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to write a Java program to find area of a triangle. So let's proceed to Eclipse. We are going to use the formula for finding the area of triangle as half into base into height. So we are expecting the user to enter base into height. Rather than using any hard-coded values of base and height, like directly writing the value of base as 10 and assigning the value of height as 20, we will ask the user to enter the values. And if you have been following this video series, so you must be aware by now that how to use scanner to enter the values from the console. That means how you should take input from the user. We have already explained these things, so I am skipping this part. Better go to the previous video tutorial and learn it if you have any doubt regarding how to use these things. Now we will be proceeding to finding the area of triangle because we already have got base and height from the user. So let's have double area of triangle so that people who are looking at your code should be aware that okay, this is area of triangle. So what is the formula? The formula is base into height divided by 2. We can simply copy and paste it over here, or you can type if you want, but to save time, let's copy and paste it. It will work in the same way. So now what is happening is the values that you have got base and height, that would be calculated as base into height, and then the whole would be divided by 2, and the result that we will get after this calculation would be stored in this variable area triangle, which is of type double. We have to keep this double because our base and height that we have accepted is in double. If you try to write int, then you will see that there will be a compilation error because int double will not be able to convert into int because the calculation of the result, this one, would be a value that is of type double, and you are trying to assign a double value to int, which is not permissible in Java. So there are some rules and regulations of what you can assign to a particular data type and what you cannot. We will be checking these things in some other video tutorial. For now, just understand that double, float, and these things cannot be assigned to int variable. Okay, so let's make it double again so that our compilation error goes. So it's now gone. Now save it, and now we have our task to print the area of triangle that we have calculated. So you can write sysO and press Ctrl tab, and this will automatically appear. And after that, just give a double quote, and within that give a message that area of triangle is, now give plus, and then write few letters like area, few letters from here like area or ARE, whatever you want, few letters, and then you should have cursor at this place, and then press Ctrl tab, and you will get suggestions. From that suggestion, select your variable, that is area triangle. Once we have selected, this is done. Now our program is complete. This is where the area would be printed, that is calculated over here, and which is stored in this variable of which type double. Right, now it's time to execute our program. So let's execute this one. It is asking you to enter base, so enter a value of base. Let the base be 10, and now press enter. It will ask for height, so let's have our height of triangle as 20. Now if you calculate, you have already got base and you have got height, right? So it will place base value over here, that is 10, and it will place height's value over here, that is 20. So 10 into 20 would be 200, and then it would be divided by 2, that means it will be 100, and the value 100 is stored over here and will be printed as this with message area of triangle is 100. So let's press enter and see what is the value. So you can see that value area of triangle is 100 is printed over here. Similarly, you can execute it for any value. You can give any random value for base and height, and it will calculate the area of triangle for you.